Hello. For this problem, we're testing a mean, and we want to test a greater than because it says statistics students believe the mean score on a first statistics test is 65. The instructor thinks the mean score is higher, and that's why we're testing higher than. Now I plugged in the values. Our sample size was 10. The population mean is from your hypothesis, which is 65. You had already found the mean, which was 74.1, and the standard deviation was 13.36. Now here they weren't asking for the standard deviation, they're asking for the standard error of the means, which means to, let me put it over here, put an equal sign. You take your standard deviation, 13.36, and divide by the square root of the sample size, which was 10. And that's how they got the 4.225. So it's just the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. And then our test statistic right here, 2.1539. Now the p-value, we were testing greater than, so greater points to the right. So we want to use the right tail, which is the 0.029826. So that's why it was this. I think this one we were getting from a two-tail test. That's when it's not equal to. But since this one was greater than, it's the 0.0298. Then we look at the p-value. Alpha was 0.05. The p-value is less. If it's less, then you reject the null hypothesis, and that's why we reject it.